In this video, I will show you how you can share the internet from your smartphone to any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, on your smartphone, just open the control center and from here, just turn on the mobile data. After you turn on the mobile data, then just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just open the hotspot settings. In our smartphone, it is over here. After you open the hotspot settings, just enable the toggle for hotspot. After that, just tap on hotspot settings. And over here, you will find the name and the password of your hotspot. Now, what we have to do is that we have to find this hotspot signal on our Samsung tablet. Now, to do that, let's go to settings. And from here, under the connection settings, just go to the Wi-Fi settings. Now, from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Wi-Fi. And after that, under the available network section, just look for the signal of this hotspot. As you can see, this is the signal of the hotspot. Now just tap on it. And after that, in the password section, just enter this password. After you enter the password, then just tap on connect. As you can see, after you do that, you will share the internet from your smartphone to your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.